Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the J case. Let's get right into it. Alright, so as you know, we got the new packaging which debuted in the H case. I got the H case, but a little too late, so I figured I'd be kind of irrelevant to make that. So first off, we're going to have International Armored Car, the Chowmobile, and the Porsche Cayman. So let's check out the new packaging here. You can see these are all, let's see, we got a road trip, and then 2 city themes. You can look at those themes. These 2 are repeats from H case, and Chowmobile is new to this case. X3. And the repeat from last case, the Flatbed King. But if this casting is going to be hit with everybody, so far it is, I'm pretty sure. Very good. This is the one I was most looking forward to. In this case, we got the Ford Taurus in a state police scheme. This one looks very nice, fresh, modern decals. And I want more Tauruses. Next, we got H Trail Tracker. This one has the Fire District logo. This one was also in the H case. Here we go, another first edition, 2016 BMW i8. I believe this is like an electric car. We got 2 of those in this case, and that's a good one to put 2 in. Got the Blizzard Buster. This one's also holdover from H. Here we go, another good one, the Trailer Trawler. So far people are loving this one, and you can, I believe, change out the boat up there with the same thing that they have on the 59 Chevy, the wagon. You can change out that with the boat that is on that one. Here we got the load lifter. We got the construction packaging, looks pretty nice. And another holdover from the H case, but a most welcome one. We got the BMW M5. Let's just get a look at that one as well. That's really nice packaging. That's a really nice car. I remember when I saw this wherever I first saw it, I'm like, wow, that one's perfect. Okay, here we go. We got 2 of the 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible. There's packaging. Looks very nice. Got 2 of those. That's new to this case. We got the Swamp Commander. This thing is a holdover. Looks like we got a nice desert scheme there. We got some cacti in the background there. A butte, I believe that land formation is called. Alright, next 3. We got 2 of the NBX 4x4 in the same desert scheme packaging. Got 2 of those. I guess, is that a first edition? Definitely not. This is copyrighted 2007. The Tesla Model S, holdover from H. Here we go. We got, first off, we got the tree lugger. This one looks pretty nice. The green thing does move. And the one everyone's gonna like, the Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. The packaging's kind of messed up, so I can't keep this one closed. That one is everyone's loving this one, and me included. We'll open that one. We got the Mercedes G63 AMG 6x6 in a silver livery. Nice. And the last 3. Let's see who we got. The Dirt Destroyer. This one's a holdover from H. MBX SWAT truck. It's just labeled as just SWAT. A nice OD green MRAP. And lastly, we got the 59 Chevy wagon. So let's open some of these up and check them out. That's a very nice blue color there. I don't know how well it shows up, but that's a really nice color. So let's open up the trailer trawler and see if we can change this out. So we got the trailer trawler. No hitch on the Chevy, so you can't like pull it. And it definitely looks the same. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Very nice, very nice. Some creativity there. Let's check out the Oldsmobile as well. See, on the packaging, I'm a little disappointed because on the packaging, it's pinker than it really is. So you can see kind of a discrepancy in color, but I mean, it looks good, but I wish it was more darker. But I think this thing has been retooled. Yeah, see, it says 2017, so this has been retooled for something, maybe that windshield on the top there, but the dogs are still in the back, so that's good, because that was like a nice little gimmick, not gimmick, but a little tiny small known feature of that is that dogs. Let's check out a Chevy Camaro as well. This one's got a nice like Hot Wheels metal flake blue coloration there, and that looks really nice. It's got the front and rear decals. Let's check out the Mercedes next, the AMG. In the standard gunmetal silver coloration. It's got no, the windows are totally opaque, so there's no interior on this model, I don't think. Just some front and rear decals. What should we look at next? Oh, the BMW. Since we got two of them, I don't have to feel guilty about opening them. Ooh, that's really nice. It's got that that streak on the side there. Very, very nice looking front end. Nothing on the back. The top looks pretty good. I like the all glass roofs, even though it might be like a way to cheapen things, but I think it looks good. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, you know we're opening. We're opening this. It's a Taurus. Oh my, this one's awesome. I love it. I love it. Even though the light bar was nerfed. Yeah, perfect. More of this. More of this. That's just like some of the biased police car collector. I love those. So let's see what else we got here. Let's open the Challenger as well. That's pretty nice. I know this one's been retooled like twice. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty nice. This one's in an ice cream theme. The yellow's plastic, the base is metal. Let's see what that says there. Copyright 2014 now. No, it's been out more than that. Longer than, yeah, see, it's 999. This one's been out longer than 2014. And since I didn't show it, since I didn't make a video for the H case, let's check out this another BMW. We're gonna have a few BMWs because we got the i8 or the i3 in the last case, the M5, and now we're getting the i8. So we're getting quite a few BMWs this time around. But yeah, this one's very nice. Very nice case. Let's also show, since it's first edition, everyone's gonna like. We'll show the Flatbed King. Very nice. This obviously deploys, so you can load your cars onto it like this, and then boom, perfect. It's a generic, so this is not a licensed model. So more of this, guys. More stuff like this. Very, very good. So that's gonna do it for my unboxing of the 2018 J case. So thank you guys very much for watching.